Hey guys, Daniel with BTR Outfitters. Long time no see. So today we're gonna jump right into a video that I'm super pumped about because a couple reasons. One, I love doing suspension upgrades. I love making these trucks ride even better than they came from the factory. And two, we're doing a awesome upgrade at a budget cost. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the factory Trail Boss suspension, the front struts. We're not doing the rear at this point because the truck has airbags. But we're gonna upgrade the front suspension to the Rough Country Vertex coil reservoir suspension. So everybody knows Bilstein. Bilstein's an awesome upgrade. Super durable. Everybody knows Fox. So Fox suspension is one of the best on the market. I will say that for what it is. Anybody who's heard Fox automatically puts their mind towards a Baja style truck or a super lifted off-road truck. All of this is true. The big thing with this is they're made for that style of abuse, so you pay that extra money for it. Talking with some of my rough country reps and stuff like that, they feel very highly and strong about these Vertex, which are, they're the upgraded version of any type of shock strut system with the downgraded price. So theirs will handle abuse. It'll handle the day-to-day driving. If you're not taking your truck out, guys, and driving through crazy trails or driving down 80 miles an hour through a plowed field, you don't necessarily need Fox. Here again, like I said before, I'm not downing Fox by any means. They're great suspensions with that high-end price. We're gonna throw these on. We're throwing them on this blue truck. We're gonna go test them. We're gonna drive them and see what we think about them. Everybody I've talked to seems to love them. I personally have installed several of the Rough Country 3.5-inch lifts with the pre-made strut, and they ride better than factory already after doing that. So these are supposed to be fully adjustable, handle everything you can throw at them. So let's give it a shot and see what we got. All right, guys, so I know at the first of this you sat back and you're like, wait, he keeps telling us about this Rough Country Vertex shock or strut and he's not showing us. I did that for a reason. I didn't want to, you know, unwrap the present before I had something to compare it to. So here is what we got. So this is our Rough Country Vertex shock. So as you can see, fully adjustable, just like the Fox ones and other brands. So looking up here, full swivel. So you get, as compared to a flat stationary mount, this is a full swivel flex mount. So it wobbles all the way around. It takes a lot of the vibration out of your suspension by doing it that way. As you can see, size comparison, a much larger bushing, coil springs. The spring itself has tighter wraps on it, which is going to be a little stouter, a little bit more durable, but it's going to give us that better ride we're looking for. It has the reservoir for the extended movement of the strut, and then of course it comes with all the bolts, all the mounting hardware you need. So this is where we're at on these. As you can see, the two side by side. Pretty awesome. All right, well, I'm gonna flip it around and we're gonna start the install process. right, guys. So you just saw us do the shock or the strut upgrade. So these are the Rough Country Vertex. They're more budget friendly than your Fox Racings. Guys, in my opinion, if you own a truck that you're not just gonna take out and race and run ragged, I feel like these Rough Countries are gonna be the way to go. Now, do I have experience running these yet? No. Am I gonna get experience? Yes. I will figure these out. I will probably come back and add something later on, give you all an update on how they ride, how great they are. But for now, y'all probably noticed too that we only shot half of the install because y'all seen us do these installs. Guys, struts are basically the same install. But this gives y'all a good idea. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna pan through this one more time, let y'all kind of see what it looks like after sitting on the ground. And then we'll be done until next time. Give us a shout, comment, question,